Hi guys, welcome to a tutorial on signing into TinkerCAD. Open Google Chrome, search for TinkerCAD. The top link will take you to the website. On the right hand side panel you can read more about TinkerCAD. When you click on the link, you'll be redirected to the website. The website has lots of fun stuff. It will teach you about TinkerCAD. What is it? CAD stands for computer aided design. So that means that this platform provides you ability to design electronic as well as mechanical designs on computer itself without spending any money. So it is free to sign in and you can look up designs, you can make more designs, you can make interesting designs without spending even a penny on it. So to sign in, you can click on the sign in button on top right. You'll get different kinds of sign in options. You can use your Autodesk account, that is the blue button. You can sign in with Google Chrome and you can sign in with Apple too. So I'll sign in through Google. And while signing in through Google, you have different options. You have your original email IDs or you can use another account. I'll use my original email ID. While logging in through your ID, you'll be requiring to verify your ID from your mail and then signing into TinkerCAD, adding password and all. So this is the main page when you enter the website. I'll zoom into the page. You can see different things like 3D design, circuits, code blocks, lessons. So in 3D design you can create mechanical designs. In circuit you can do electronic component design. So in circuits you have some pre-built circuits, some circuits you can make. As you can see that I have made a few of them, and you can check out your profile, that is by clicking on the icon that shows no image right now. So that's clicking on achieve.saxena, you'll enter the thing. You can add a picture, you can have your screen name, that is a username, email ID and stuff like that. You can save changes, and that was all for tutorial for signing in to TinkerCAD by Autodesk. Thank you.